LeetCode 2873, maximum value of an ordered triplet 1. It's a pretty easy problem. The question wants us to calculate the value based on the equation in the array. We are going to use three loops to calculate that value. And the time complexity for this would be O(n) cubed, and the space complexity would be O1, meaning constant time. It's a pretty small calculative question, hence optimizing it to O(n) square or O(n) log n is not required. However, you can achieve that using prefix sum as well. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.